Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guys from Masagari Channel. A failure also matarder sa ngayong hapon na to. Tignan natin yung sabihin sa ng ating mga gabay. So this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayong energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating makakagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang skip ng ads away pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik digdig na guumapaw ni biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, God please give me information paano kang sabihin sa ng ating mga baraha. Archangel Michael messages. So represent with spend more time outdoors. So kailangan mo talaga ng oras, no? Para kahit paano makahinga ka na, no? Disconnect from the world. No, kailangan mo unwind. No, ma-refresh yung utak mo, ma-recharge. No, ang isip mo, there's a new beginning and fresh start is coming. So magkakaroon ka talaga ng bagong simula at panibagong eksena, no? Maaaring maraming magsimulang eksena magaganap sa iyo ngayon. No, and of course, there's something at time, take your time to make a decision. Kailangan mo ng oras para magdesisyon. Hindi ka pwedeng pala desisyon. Kailangan pag-isipan mo mabuti to. No, and of course, klaruhin mo, liwanagin mo, ano ba talaga yung purpose mo. And of course, ano ba yung mga bagay na makakatulong pa sa'yo. And of course, there's something right about your thought and feelings, no? Lagi mo susundin nyo yung sinasabi yung intuitions mo, sinasabi ng vibrations mo, sinasabi ng predictions mo. No, naman yung nararamdaman mo, kailangan susundin mo yan. And of course, decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon. No, sa lahat ng gagawin mong actions. Diba? Kailangan wala kang pagsisisi. No, and of course, kailangan may ngiti sa iyong mga labi at mayroon kang kaligayahan sa desisyon na yan. So, let's see what is additional messages. Paano natin hihimay-himayan at paano natin ito i-elaborate sa iyo. Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. There's the King of Coins. So, there's something guys with the security na magkaroon ka ng seguridad at practical sa finances mo. Pangalagaan mo at protectionan mo ito. And of course, guys, there is something that Ten of Cups, happiness. So, magiging masaya ka talaga. Na magiging maligaya talaga ang buhay mo, ang sitwasyon mo, ang kalagayan mo. There's a 7 of coin na nag-represent with a harvest moment. No, matagal mo nang hinihintay, maring makuha mo na, maring maisa kataparan mo na. Additional messages. So there's a 2 of Wands. There's something of choices. No, pili mo yung mga bagay lang na makakatulong sa'yo. You have the power to choose. No, kailangan maging wais ka sa pagpili. No, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent guys with an 8 of Swords. There's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. So, kailangan maging aware ka, no? Dahil napapalibutan ka doon ng toxic dito. So, let's see what is additional messages. Represent guys with a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. No, makikinig ka sa vibrations mo. No, sa nararamdaman mo dahil hindi ka ililigaw nito. Kaya sinasabi na right about your thought and feelings na makikinig ka dito. Kumbaga pag mayroon kang kaba, nararamdaman na kakaiba, may something yan na kailangan mo mag-pay attention. What is the King of Swords? The King of Coin. There's a 2 of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pagdesisyonan. Na kailangan ng tapusin. At magkaroon ka ng seguridad sa sarili mo. No, what is the 10 of Cups? Represent with the 8 of Cups, something moving forward, makaka-move on ka na. At magiging maligaya at magiging masaya ka na sa sitwasyon na tatahakin mo. What is the Seven of Coin? What is the Seven of Coin? Represent, guys, with the Justice card. A karma, consequences. So, see? Ano man yung mabagay na itinabi mo, no? Pinag-ipunan mo, ginawa mo, there's something na maaaring bumalik sa'yo. No? There's a harvest moment. Ibig sabihin, naging magbuti. No? At naging madiskarte at masipag ka naman. There's a possible na anihin mo lahat ng bagay na pinaghirapan mo. What is the Two of Wands? Represent with the King of Wands. Look at the bigger picture. Napili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. No? Especially sa food. No? Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. No? Iwasan mo yung mga processing food. Yung mga bagay, yung mga pagkain na nakakasama sa iyong kalusugan. What is the Eight of Swords? Represent with the Kingman. Baguhin mo yung perspective mo. You're feeling stuck. No? Dahil punong-puno ng toxic and negative talaga dyan sa paligid mo. It's time na para pakawalan at umalis ka na dyan sa lugar or sitwasyon mo. There's a Queen of Swords. Clear the boundaries. Linisin mo ang mga bagay na makakasira ng iyong sarili, ng iyong pagkatao. What is the King of Coins? The Two of Swords. Represent with the Ten of Swords with the sabotage. No, kailangan mo magdesisyon dito, magkaroon ka ng seguridad sa sarili mo dahil marami ditong tatraydor, susubukin ka pabagsakin. No? Lilinlangin ka. Mag-ingat ka. There's a Two of Cups. No, there's pa something in partnership. No? Sa pag-let go mo at pag-move on mo, doon mo makikilala yung taong makakasama mo for good. No? At magbibigay kaligayahan sa'yo. At magdadala sa'yo ng Ten of Pentacles. Long term. No? Long-term success, long-term relationship, financial security, financial windfall. What is the Two of Wands? Because the King of Wands. There's the Moon card for the truth reveal. No, ilalantad dito, ibabahagi sa panaginip mo ang mga bagay na dapat mong piliin, yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. The King of Wands, something ambition, and the Moon card, something unintuitions. Na binibigyan ka ng mga signs or synchronicities or na para malaman mo ano yung kailangan mong piliin in the near future. What is the Eight of Swords? The Hangman. There's a Seven of Wands. So, see, protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo laban sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Hihilahin ka pababa ng mga negatibo na yan. What is the Page of Cups? Because the Queen of Swords. Represent, guys, with the King of Swords. Stop the pattern. Putulin mo na yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsaserve sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na alam mo makakasira ng eksena mo. Now, let's see what is additional messages now pagdating sa outcome. Sa outcome, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Na matutupad na yung mga pangarap mo. No, lahat ng mga hinahangad mo, maaaring abot kamay mo na. There's a tower moment, no? You need to let go. No, dahil babaguhin ito, may mga parte sa buhay mo na nasira, na kailangan mo na mag-move on, and of course, pakawalan, para sa iyong kaligayan. There's a new beginning. And of course, a fresh start, na paparating talaga. There's a Nine of Wands for slow and steady. Ito yung sinasabi, no? Na kailangan mo maging mahinahon, huwag kang pala desisyon. Kaya pala, there's a spend more time outdoor. No, kailangan mo muna ng, kumbaga, ng lugar kung saan ka magiging maluwag sa kaisipan na para makapag-isip ka ng maayos. And of course, kailangan mo mag-isip, no? Take your time to make a decision. Kailangan mo pag-isipang mabuti. No? At kailangan mo na talaga ng final decision na yung decision mo na to ay magiging masaya ka with the decide to be happy now. No, dahil magiging maganda talaga yung takbo ng sitwasyon at lagi kang makikinig sa nararamdaman mo with the right about your thoughts and feelings at dadaling ka sa bagong simula. Ang ganda na meron talagang facts or context talaga yung sinasabi ng ating baraha. There's a Three of Wands, so waiting for ship. Talagang meron talagang parating or may hinihintay kang paparating na maaring makuha mo na. And of course, guys, there's a Six of Swords with the transition. Babaguhin ka na at makakaalis ka na sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Diba? Kung magpaproteksyon mo na yung sarili mo, hindi ka na magpapadala sa mga matatalinhagang salita at sa mga sulsul ng ninuman. And there's a Five of Pentacles, makakaraos ka dito dahil matatapos na at makakawala ka na sa mga unhealthy attachment, sa mga bisyo, luho, naman yung mga bagay na nakakasama sa iyo. No? And of course, makikinig ka sa intuitions mo na makakalaya ka na dito for financial crisis that because of this negative environment. So let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career. Love life at kalusugan. Let's watch this. For finances and career, represent what? So, finances and career. There is a Queen of Cups. Emotional healing. So, maging emotion ka raw, maging kalmado ka daw dito pagdating sa emosyon. Now, and of course, the Four of Swords, makikinig sa intuition sa gut feeling mo. At the same time, magpahinga ka rin, no? Nag-overpatig ka raw dito pagdating sa business, trabaho mo. There's a Devil card. No, sa trabaho mo, maraming tuso. No, there's a lot of negative talaga. And there's a Seven of Cups, no? Talagang ginugulo ka, o talagang nililin lang ka, o talagang marami talaga, especially mga katrabaho mo or kaibigan mo. No? Ang mga taong sumisira ng eksena mo dyan. No, it's time na para makalaya at makawala ka dyan. No, very toxic talaga na sa trabaho. Yung environment mo, especially dyan sa trabaho mo. What is additional messages? Na pagdating naman tayo sa love life, there is a Page of Swords na being curiosity. Kailangan kilalanin mo or alamin mo, no, bago ka pumasok sa isang relationship. And there's a Page of Wands, no, there's something, an email, messages, phone call ka matatanggap, may balita, no, may mensahe na paparating. There's a Six of Wands for victory, pero magtatagumpay ka pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. And the Page of Coins, something investment, no, pagdating dito mag-i-invest ka talaga ng grabe, no, pagdating sa love, no, time, effort, there's an effort, magiging mas mature ka na ngayon na pagdating sa relationship. And there's a chart card, there's an action and movement na magkakaroon na ng changes and development na pagdating sa relasyon, sa pag-ibig. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan, there's a High Priestess, maraming talagang inggitera, there's a hidden agenda, hidden enemies. Marami talaga naiinggit sa inyo. And there's a Discount card, pero alam mo na kung sino yung mga yan. Kaya dumidistansya ka na, or either may protection ka ng hawak. And of course, there's a King of Cups, no? Mga inggitera talaga. No, there's a Death card, no? Maaring matapos na, no? Maaring tapusin na, magkaroon ng transformation pagdating sa kalusugan mo. And there's a Queen of Wands, by confident, lakas naman ng loob mo, maging matapang ka dito. So, some of you naman, guys, may pinagdadaanan kayo ditong karamdaman. Mag-ingat po kayo. Kasi may Death card po dito. No? And there's a Five of Wands, kasi baka magkaroon ng complication. Umiwas ka sa bagay mga nakakasama sa'yo. Alam mo na yung bawal sa'yo at yun yung kailangan mong tigilan. No? And of course, uminom ka ng mga herbs. No? And of course, veggies. Kumain ka. Alamin natin what is the magic of fire messages represent what? And of course, an angel's messages. And of course, the pick a card, yes or no. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, guys, ang pick a card, yes or no, pwede ka magtanong. Isa lang ang magiging sagot dyan within 1, 2, or 3. Pag nakapili ka na, comment down below kung ano number na pili mo, malalaman mo ang napili mong number sa dulo ng reading na to. So, additional ko lang daw dito, guys, no? Meron ka daw ditong nararamdaman na kailangan mo raw meron kang ilaga na bulaklak, no? Meron kang ilaga na bulaklak ng papaya or something na makakatulong for cancerous, okay? No, and of course, dahon ng guyabano at the same time for cleansing to detoxify your mga negative and of course negative cells, no? Na para hindi na makapag-create ng mga malignant cells, no? So guys, let's see what is the additional messages, no? Pagdating naman tayo with the magical fire messages and devices, so let's watch this. Okay, let's see what is additional messages with the magical fire messages represent what? Let's see what is the magical fire messages. Okay, there's something a marriage, some of you kasal ka, may kakasal ka. And there's something a business venture, some of you magkakaroon ulit ng panibagong business, opportunities, new job, new work. So let's see what is additional messages tayo. There's something, be yourself. No, maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Just being honest with yourself. No, stop pretending. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Represented faith, divine intervention. No, may mga paalala sa ng ating divine, you need to pay attention. And there's an assistant with the spirit guides. No, some of you guys, ginagabaya ka ng ating angel spirit dito. And of course, there's something karma and balance. Na maging balance ka dito, there's something karma and justice will be served. Alam mo kanina pa to ha, na meron talagang lumalabas ng justice. na may karma talaga, makukuha mo yung justisya at karapat-dapat para sa'yo. Kumapit ka. What is the synchronicities? Represent with a leader. Not just being a leader, take charge of your situations. Kaya mong pamunuan daw ang mga eksena na to. Sa mo pinakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation sa mga transaction mo pagdating sa business, sa trabaho. And there's a trust na kailangan mo ipagkatiwala sa ating angel spirit. What is the romance angels for a mystic love oracle deck? Represent guys with a fear and afraid. So, kailangan mo alisin yung takot at pangamba mo. Now, because there's a player, kailangan marunong kang laruin tong eksena na to. Marunong ka dapat ilaban yung mga bagay na nandito sa paligid mo, no? And there's a breakup. Some of you meron ditong breakup. No, kaya pa siguro may justice dito. May justisya. What is an angel's number? Represent guys with a 333 with a support. No? Seeing the angel's number is a sign that it's time to focus inward. Work on your skills and discover your talent and use your imagination and release your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonder to your sense of purpose and contribute to your community. Diba? Kumaga dito lalago, no? At sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit sa mga ginagawa mo, may kakayanan, kaalaman ka, gagamitin mo yan na para makatulong for you to become a successful person. So, let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. Represent guys with a success. I told you, magsasuccess ka talaga. You are on the right track. No? Choosing the right direction and actively overcoming difficulties. Maging palaban. There is a clarifying for a love situation. Clarifying for a love situation. Represent with a beloved wisdom. Love is a choice. You make every day, so choose wisely. Na pagdating sa pag-ibig talaga, choice mo naman kung sino yung mamahalin, magpipiliin mo na makakasama mo hanggang dulo. Pero kailangan maging wise ka sa pagpili ng taong mamahalin mo. The shadow work represent what? What is a shadow work represent what? Represent with the inner cosmos. Now, there is something trauma, seeing go deeper, no? To embrace the light first, acknowledge the dark, no? Para makita mo ang kaliwanagan, dapat marunong ka tumanggap sa lahat ng pagkakamali at kabiguan sa buhay mo. Dahil dun mo makikita ang magiging kalakasan mo at magsisilbing sandata mo, no? Sa harapin mong tatahakin mong bukas. There's a what lies beneath with the hidden future. What lies beneath with the hidden future represent what? Represent guys with the keeping you a secret. Na meron ditong tinatagong sikreto or meron kang tinatagong sikreto na hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa mailabas. Or meron nagtatago ng sikreto sa iyo. Now there's a clarifying for a life situation. What is additional messages? So there's a new world. No, talagang may new beginning and new world talaga. There are many more things for you to discover, so don't give up. Diba? Kumbaga may bagong mundo pa paparating sa'yo, huwag kang susuko. No, matuto kang lumaban sa hamon ng buhay sa lahat ng mga tinatahak mo, dapat maging palaban ka na. What is the path of the light? What is the path of the light represent what? And there's an expansion. Talagang there's a new beginning, the new world and expansions talaga. And there's a success. And there's a karma. Talagang there's a good thing na mangyayari talaga sa buhay mo. No, ang paglago at paglaganap ng mabubuting balita para sa iyo. No, magiging maganda ng takbo ng sitwasyon mo. Expansion. I am always growing, expanding, and evolving. With every experiences, I expand my understanding and deepen my connections to the divine. I welcome change and new possibilities, knowing that each step forward bring me closer to the higher potential. So, talagang may paglago, diba? At maaaring dito na yung hudyat na para bigyan liwanag ang iyong kaisipan na magtatagumpay ka. Huwag kang susuko. So, guys, let's see what is the pick a card, yes or no. So, let's watch this. Okay, so nakapili na number 1 na to na yan. Umpisa na natin with a yes or no, pick a card. Kung nakapili na number 1 na to na. There is a no. Feeling run down, tired up. Tired, rough time, too much, no? Kumbaga napagod ka na, no? Kumbaga parang feeling mo kailangan mo ng maraming pahinga, no? So, for me, no, kailangan mo munang uminto at magpahinga muna for a meantime. Napag-isipang mabuti bawat decision mo. Huwag ka nang pala decision at bira-birada. And there's a no, feeling out of the sync, not compatible with you, no? Meron talagang tao talaga na hindi ka komportable. Kaya kung itong mga tao na to ay maaaring hindi makatulong sa'yo, kailangan mo lisanin at alisin yung mga tao na yan sa buhay mo. Number 3, there's a yes, reflection or truth, trust what you see. Magtiwala ka sa nakikita mo. No, lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect to at yun na magiging katotohanan sa likod dito. So magtitiwala ka sa lahat na nakikita mo dahil hindi yan ibabahagi sa iyo kung walang katotohanan at walang kahihinat ng mabuti sa buhay mo. So guys, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang dilat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Updates, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal-siksik digdig na gumapo ni biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!